Urinary incontinence clamps are devices that are worn on the penis to prevent bladder leaks. These devices are helpful if you have urinary incontinence that gets in the way of doing the things you love, like exercising, going out to socialize, and traveling. Hi, I'm Dr. Susie Gronski, Doctor of Physical Therapy, Pelvic Health Therapist, and Sexuality Counselor. In this video, I'll walk you through what urinary incontinence clamps are, how to choose the right fit, and how to use them safely with a real model demonstration. There are different types of urinary incontinence. Stress urinary incontinence is leakage that happens with activities such as coughing, bending, getting up from a chair, or exercising. Urge urinary incontinence is leakage that happens with a strong, sudden urge to urinate. And overflow incontinence occurs when the bladder is just too full and not emptying well, which leads to leakage. In the case of overflow incontinence, the bladder is overfilled, the urinary sphincters can't keep the urine in, and often there's little or no awareness that the leaks are happening. Urinary incontinence clamps are designed for men with stress urinary incontinence. If you're experiencing urge incontinence or overflow incontinence, clamps may not be appropriate and could even worsen your condition. They're not recommended if you have reduced penile sensation, poor circulation, skin conditions, cognitive challenges, or difficulties with hand dexterity that would prevent using the device safely. So there are many possible causes for urinary incontinence. These include weak pelvic floor muscles, pelvic floor muscle coordination and timing issues, or surgery such as a prostatectomy, where the prostate is removed to treat prostate cancer. Other causes may include radiation treatment, constipation, diabetes, severe urinary retention, bladder spasms from an overactive bladder, neurological conditions or nerve injury, and medications that influence bladder and pelvic floor muscle function. And in some cases, urinary tract infections can also cause incontinence. Urinary incontinence clamps support stress urinary incontinence by applying pressure to the penile urethra, located on the underside of the penis. The pressure works like a kink in a hose, helping to stop urine flow and maintain control. There are different types of clamps, including the Cunningham clamp, the Wisner clamp, and the Pacey Cuff. Many of my patients prefer the comfort, style, and fit of the Pacey Cuff. Its unique design places the urethral compression underside of the penis. This allows for circulation and space for the nerve tissue while still keeping you dry. The Pacey Cuff comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. To measure for the correct size, use a flexible tape measure to measure the girth of your flaccid penis near the base. The company also makes a product called the Power Sleeve, which is worn underneath the cuff to help prevent pinching and provides additional support. The sleeve should fit snugly but not tightly. For full step-by-step instructions and a live demonstration on how to use a penile clamp, join me on Patreon.